give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies. Oh, what a surprise! The thought of a kiss.
All in rows 28 to 43.
「
now so we can put it upstairs.
Okay.
Look at that. It's a dude.
Oh my god. Which one are you gonna get? I think. Good thing we stopped by. Which one should I do? Work, dressing, or exercise? Exercise? Let's see. I really want this guy working on the computer one because he sits on the ledge.
Open them.
Oh my god, that's you!
Oh my god.
It's like deadlift.
That's a good one.
Japanese.
Open them all.
I want the working laptop one. Or the guy carrying the suitcase. Oh, it's like shushing. Or like, oh no. The thumbs up.
Yeah.
He's putting socks on.
That's good.
Oh my god. I love the working out one. This one's perfect.
It's me, isn't it?
Yeah, it is you. 100%. Yay! Sure. Stuff. Now I'm gonna do a little unboxing. It's like a blind box. We got the white one. The white ghost that we wanted.
Oh, that's a good one.
Like Steve. Should I unbox the Totoro one? It's playing the little flute. So cute. We went to like the Studio Ghibli store, and then they had an Uno card, Totoro, and then also like playing cards with Ponyo. Oh, so cute. And we got a little sculpture, the ghost, and then Gigi, and then I got this like carabiner, and it's in the shape of Gigi.
Every night I try to love, but your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain, yet you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and colder days, living in the shadows maze. I guess I never find the light, living in this endless night. Promises I never keep, whisper lies when I'm asleep. Lonely, I just sit and weep. Love me now or let me leave. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go.